Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive into the best products available on the market. Today, we're taking a closer look at the RV Designer S831, the best Wirecon receptacle. If you're an RV enthusiast or someone who loves camping and road trips, you know how crucial reliable electrical components are. The RV Designer S831 is exactly what you need to ensure your air conditioner, or any other electrical appliance in your RV, stays powered up and running smoothly. This product features a dual-outlet design, providing you with a convenient solution to power two devices at the same time. Whether you're running a fan to cool down during a hot day or plugging in a phone charger, this outlet has you covered. It's made from durable polycarbonate material, ensuring long-lasting performance. Plus, the white cover plate gives it a clean, sleek look that blends well with most RV interiors. One of the standout features of the RV Designer S831 is the SpeedWire technology. It's designed for easy installation, reducing the time and effort needed to get your new outlet up and running. However, it does require the SCD installation tool, so be sure to have that on hand for a smooth setup. Once installed, this outlet will provide reliable service, handling up to 15 amps of power and working perfectly in outlets that support 125 volts. The RV Designer S831 is also designed with safety in mind. Its self-contained design helps to protect against any potential electrical mishaps, keeping your devices safe. It's the perfect choice for anyone looking to upgrade their RV's electrical system. So, if you're ready to enhance the electrical setup in your RV, the RV Designer S831 dual outlet is a great investment. It's affordable, easy to install, and provides the reliable power you need for your appliances. Make sure to check out the link in the description for more details, and if you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product critiques. Thanks for watching.